Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Zoe Aliyah here, and today I'll be sharing with you guys my basic soft girl makeup look. So when it comes to the soft girl makeup look, I have different versions of it, and I do my makeup differently pretty much every time. It just depends. So what I'm showing you guys here is just going to be more of a something slight type of soft girl makeup look, not really a glam. So it should be fairly easy to follow. But anyways, first off, I start off with my brows. I go ahead and I use a brow pencil. I'm actually using a black brow pencil that I got from the hair store. I don't know. I just been liking like more of a darker brow look. Not too dark now. Not too much, but I just lightly filled it in with a black pencil. And then I'm taking my Morphe spoolie and applying the Got2b glue to my brows to just keep them down. I like that wispy, not doing too much brow look. I don't really like it too sharp. Now I'm going in with the Revlon Candid foundation. I use it as a concealer because it's so light. And I'm going ahead and cleaning up my brows underneath. And I'm very focused, as you guys can see. I don't play with my brows, okay? And I am connecting it at the front so it can like all blend in together and not like look patchy or anything. If you're a beginner with doing your makeup and you haven't mastered your brows yet or just makeup, just take your time. There's no rush, and just make sure you blend. After you filled in your brows with whatever you desire, make sure you go in with your spoolie to blend to create that ombre soft look if that's what you desire. And when you even carve your brows or clean up your brows with your foundation or concealer, whatever you desire, make sure you blend in very well, as best as you can. And once again, girly, take your time because practice makes perfect, okay? And you got it, girl. You got it. So anyways, I went ahead and I used my glow cream to give me more vibrancy, whatever you call it. And I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation. When it comes to this step, I don't like a lot of foundation. I really don't. It just depends. If I'm doing a video and a nice makeup look, maybe I'll go heavier with my foundation, or if I'm going out somewhere fancy or whatever the case may be, it just really depends. But for the most part, I don't really like too much foundation, so I just used my Fit Me foundation and applied it very lightly. And I'm going in with that same concealer that I used for my brow. Well, it's actually a foundation, but you guys get where I'm coming from. And I just applied it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and blended it out. Now I'm using this Pro Conceal high definition concealer, and yes, it's very white. I don't know, I just really love a bright under eye. It just, I don't know, I love it personally. So I'm just basically putting it in the same areas that I put my concealer to just brighten it a little bit more. And don't freak out, guys, it's all gonna come together once I set it and all of that stuff. Just trust the process if you're freaking out, okay? And I'm using a mini tiny cute beauty blender, and I love it so freaking much. I personally don't like using brushes to blend in my concealer and foundation and stuff. Sometimes I will try it out, but I'm sticking with the OG beauty blender. It just gets the job done and better in my opinion, okay? Y'all comment down below if you guys are the same way or if you prefer brushes. I would love to know that. Now I'm going in with my True Complexion contour. I just mixed the both two contour colors and just applied it to my cheekbone and my forehead, a little bit on my chin, on my nose a little bit. When it comes to my nose contour, sometimes I will definitely contour my nose and make it like, defined for sure. Sometimes I just don't want to do that. So like I said before, my makeup routine is just different every time. Like sometimes I feel like being more glowy and more, contoured up or blushed out, it just depends. But anyways, I'm going in, I keep saying anyways, take a shot every time I say anyways. That'll be crazy, but just kidding, guys. I'm not promoting that at all. So let's keep this pushing and moving forward. I'm going in with my CoverGirl loose powder in banana, and I just set my under eyes and just basically everywhere where I put my concealer and that I want to be set. Also, sometimes I will go in and carve like my cheekbone where I put the contour, but today in this tutorial I did not. Like I told you before, I keep saying this, it's different every time. So I'm excited to show you guys my other versions and just different makeup looks. I applied my blush, and as you guys saw, I applied it to my chin as well. I don't always do that, but in this tutorial I did. If you don't want to do it, do what you desire, but that's what I did. And then I set my face with my all-nighter setting spray, Urban Decay, and I'm going in with an eyeshadow highlight color and just highlighting the bridge of my nose, the ball point of my nose, my inner corners, underneath my brow, and I think I put on my cupid's bow as well. Going in with lip liner, I'm just using a brown lip liner that I got from the hair store to do my lip combo. Oh, I love this part. Comment down below if you love doing lip combos, because I do. It's super fun and it just ties the makeup look all together. It's like the cherry on top. You feel me? Yeah. And with this part, as you guys can see, I am very focused and locked and loaded. Okay, yes, it's my cup of tea. And I'm going in with this Buxom lip liner as well, but I use it as a lipstick, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner parts of my lip to give that nice ombre pink brown look. And once again, if you're a beginner, give yourself grace, take your time. Time literally is all you need, and practice makes perfect. I did a lot of practicing, and I'm not like the best at doing makeup, but I am better than I was before. I'll tell you that. And that's all because of time and practice. I'm talking about other things, and I'm supposed to be doing a step-by-step voice audio for this tutorial, but it's all good. As you guys saw, I just went in with my Buxom Lip Plumper Shimmery Gloss. I love that gloss. It's so beautiful. Then went in with a regular lip gloss on top that smells so good, and mascara for my bottom lashes because I already have my lashes done, and voila, 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 mwah. The makeup look is completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help. If I did, let me know down in the comments, and also let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see from me, and I got you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and click the post notification bell so you don't miss out on this good content. And without further ado, guys, I am going to go. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay humble. God bless you in Jesus' name.